up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today, we are in our Barbie Extra room. We made it in this video, and it is the perfect backdrop to take a look at a new Barbie Extra Fly doll with a winter theme. Looks like Barbie has packed her bags and is headed to the slopes. Nice picture. Just like the safari-themed doll, this doll comes in packaging that looks like a suitcase and comes with an actual doll suitcase that looks like a popsicle with chocolate and sprinkles. It is painted on the front, however, the paint does not continue around to the other sides. There is a snowflake luggage tag that says Barbie Extra Fly. The wheel at the bottom can spin, and the suitcase can open. There is a purple snowflake bag with glitter. It is open at the top, so we can place doll items inside, like the included paperboard passport and plane ticket. There is a large paperboard plane ticket, just like before, and a pair of pink frosty glasses for the included doll. Okay, where was this look last winter? Barbie has arrived on the scene without an extra pet. In a pink sparkly catsuit, a blue sparkly fur coat, and silver-colored charms hanging from a silver-colored chain on a purple belt with a teddy bear head. A silver heart necklace. I think those are icicle earrings or frosty unicorn horns. I'm good either way. Pink plastic earmuffs, pink fingerless gloves that are completely open at the top, and blue snow boots. The face screening is a little pixelated and shiny. Out of the box, her hair might require a little attention. It is blonde with some pink and purplish highlights. For me, a Barbie Extra doll is like a level up from a Barbie fashionista. We get more fashion pieces and accessories, increased articulation, like movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee, longer hair if you want it. However, the face screenings are running at about the same quality. So I don't feel bad about swapping out heads like I did with our first Barbie Extra Fly doll. Sorry, but I really do like this outfit, so I might just take her clothes. But wait, there is a Barbie Extra Fly mini Wintery snow fashion doll with a white doll stand, a little bag with a face on it. There is an opening in the top. The doll comes with a small lavender bag, a plastic beanie with pom-poms, and it says extra on the front. Here's the hat on a Barbie. It's a little large, but you might be able to get away with it on a Disney Store doll. The Barbie Extra doll has black and light green hair, or maybe it's like a pale turquoise. I'm loving the eyewear, and we might be able to use them with a standard Barbie. They are a little wide, but I'm using the headphones or the earmuffs to hold it in place. The Barbie Extra Mini doll has brown eyes with a little glitter. The screening is not pixelated. She comes wearing a silver-colored jacket with a little gather at the waist, a sleeveless dress with a collar. There's a print going all the way around, and she has pink boots with white painted details. I would have loved to have seen some painted details on these boots as well. Oh yeah, and the top of her catsuit is sleeveless, and the inside of her fur coat is lined on the body, in case you were wondering. Dream Ella Extra Iconic Mini can fit the Barbie Extra Mini's clothes, but not the shoes. Here it is on our Five Below articulated Chelsea. The dress is a little short, but the jacket fits, and the shoes almost fit, but they are a little small. And for a little extra length on the outfit, we can add a tulle skirt or some leggings. Here is the Barbie Extra Fly doll with a desert festival theme. We get another ticket, a smaller ticket and a passport, a water bottle, cell phone, large heart sunglasses, an oversized bag with a cactus tag. We have painted details on the front and the back, and it is open, so you can probably put a few things inside. And the water bottle has a Barbie logo on it. Why do I feel like I have not seen this before? Out of the box, the doll's flower crown might need to be adjusted much better. But I'm loving her face screening. She is adorable. Now, one eye does look slightly lower than the other to me in person, but that's only because I'm staring at it, and I did buy my doll online. If I was buying it in the store, I could look through them all to see which one I liked the best. Her hair color is lavender, blue, and pink. Mermaid unicorn hair, love it. Her flower crown is plastic. Her eye makeup has decorative little white dots. She has large gold-colored heart earrings that were not designed to be removed. There is a red piece of fabric tied around the neck for a scarf. She wears a blue plastic VIP pass, wears a two-piece rainbow-colored outfit with a halter top and shorts. The top ties behind the neck with a ribbon, and then there's a little Velcro in the back. The pattern continues all the way around, and the shorts also Velcro in the back. There is a yellow camera at the hip. She comes with pink, tall, lace-up shoes with a platform. They are translucent and hollow on the bottom. Her jacket is a faux pink denim with tassels that reach past the knee, with printed pictures on the front that I assume are supposed to be patches. Very colorful, very cute. The back is solid, but I am loving her overall look. I usually go for dolls with natural hair colors, and I feel like this combination has been done quite a few times, but there is just something about her that is speaking to me. And the fact that she is not pixelated is definitely a plus. But we might have to do a hot water rinse, just to get her hair to lay the way I want. But before we heat up the water, there is something else I want to do. Remember little Baby Starla? Our newest silicone baby that we bought on Etsy and showed her in this video a few videos back. In the comments, some of you wanted to know what Starla might look like when she gets older, which I think is a fun idea. So we're going to try to come up with something today. But it is important to remember that Baby Starla has little pointed ears, like an elf, Vulcan, or fairy. Well, good thing there is a new Tinkerbell doll. From Disney, Peter Pan, and Wendy, here is the Tinkerbell doll by Mattel, and Yara Shahidi's second doll. Out of the box, the wings are not attached. There are some brackets on her back that we have to push the wings into. The wings are pretty solid. They're green with a little glitter, and you can pose them. I bought this doll on Amazon for $24.99. She is articulated at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. Her feet are larger than a standard Barbie's, but I'm mainly here because she has pointy ears, making her a pretty good option to be a teen Starla. Only Starla is not a fairy, so the wings have got to go. Since the brackets are attached to her back, we are gonna have to rebody her. Her skin tone is kind of close to Ariel's, so we're gonna use the soccer player. And we might as well rebody this beautiful girl while we're at it. I place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water to soften the head so we can easily remove it. Come on. It should be easy. There we go. Then place it onto the new body, and it's actually a pretty good match. But let's also replace the hands. I place them back into the hot water, then I brace the wrist, try to hold on to the little peg right there, and carefully pull it out. While the hands are still warm, let's then add the new hand while everything is still warm. I don't know. I think the color difference is a little too much, so I'm going to switch them back. But I can probably do my hand switch with the other two. So first, let's remove the head, then the hands. Quickly attach the hands to the new body and the head. While the head is still warm, let's remove those earrings and cut off the hooks. So they are now removable. I dip her hair into hot water, then brush it down, get her dressed in her original clothes, and now our Barbie Extra Fly doll is made to move. I think Starla might have an eye on this outfit because it's kind of out of this world. Glittery pink catsuit is totally giving some alien vibes. We can still add the accessories to jazz it up a little, and the jacket for those frosty Sicarian days. And now we have our very own Teen Starla with pointy ears. Thank you for joining us while we checked out some Barbie Extra Fly dolls and made our own Teen Starla. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!